Hello friends, welcome to Apps Culinary. Today I have got nice fresh blueberries from the market. So thought of baking some fresh blueberry muffins as we all love them. Let's have a quick look at the ingredients needed. Fresh blueberries 75 grams, unsalted butter 110 grams, sugar 60 grams, 3 eggs, all-purpose flour 110 grams, baking powder 2 teaspoons, 30 grams of almonds coarsely ground, 1/8 pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon blueberry essence. Blueberry essence is optional as these muffins taste awesome even without essence. Now let's get started. Firstly, we will beat sugar and butter together until pale and fluffy. Here I am using mixer as my blender needs to be repaired. And trust me, in this recipe, whether you are using mixer or blender doesn't matter much. Now we will take this out in a mixing bowl. In a separate bowl, we will beat eggs. Now we will save 2 teaspoons of this beaten egg and mix all the 3 ingredients together. At this stage, we will also mix in the essence if we are using. Now we will dust these blueberries with 1 teaspoon of flour so that they don't settle at the bottom while baking. And now we will sieve flour and baking powder together into this mixture. And mix it properly. Now we will lightly add blueberries to this batter by cut and fold method. We will save few pieces of blueberries for the topping. Oops! We also have to add this ground almonds along with blueberries while saving 2 teaspoons for topping. This is our blueberry muffins batter ready. We will scoop out 2 spoonsful in each muffin mold that we have greased and lined earlier. We will brush these muffin tops with the beaten egg. And scatter the ground almonds over them. We shall top them up with a piece of blueberry at the center and our muffins are ready to dive into the oven. We have preheated the oven at 200 degrees centigrade. Now we will bake these muffins in this preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 24 to 28 minutes as needed. Wow, it smells so good. Our blueberry muffins are ready. We will take them out of the oven and let them cool for 5 to 6 minutes. See, they have rised so much. Oh, they are so tempting. I just cannot resist. Let's demold one and taste it. See, they have baked so perfectly. They have become so fluffy. Friends, do try these yummy blueberry muffins and leave your comments in the comment box. And also subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.